Forging a Branch in a Hollow Tube by Bruce Gerald. In this sequence, a groove will be forged to the back wall of the tube and split. I start with a cross-peen hammer having a blunt end to begin the groove. With good hammer control, a well-defined groove can be formed. A handheld chisel can also be used. As the groove is deepened, I switch to a cross-peen hammer with a sharper end to keep the groove from further widening. Nippers can also be used to define the groove better. The ends must be rounded to prevent creasing the crotch area. I anneal the tube before cutting the groove with a bandsaw. This shows the sawn groove from the front of the tube and from the back of the tube. Spreading the two arms is started with a screwdriver. Heat is confined to the crotch area to prevent distorting the arms. Spreading is continued so that I have later access to the full diameter of each arm. At this stage of the forging, the seam in each arm is at the back of the arm and only slightly visible from the front. The arms are somewhat round.